Now, I'm sure you're wondering how easy such an amazing Doodle video is to create, so let's jump right in. Here we are inside the Doodleoze platform, which is a desktop software available for both PC and Mac. The first thing you'll notice is how easily laid out Doodleoze is. Okay, let me show you how quick and easy you can make a great Doodle animation video. First, if we take a look here, we can add multiple objects onto the canvas, like background music or voiceover, videos, images, and text. We'll start by adding a video to the background, like this. Any video added to the scene has a sketch by hand animation effect attached by default. So in this window here, we have some options for this sketch effect, but we'll leave it as default and continue. Next, we need to scale the video full screen size, like this. Okay, good. Now, if we take a look here, we can see the sketch animation added to the video. And we can adjust the animation playtime, replace it, remove it, or add a new animation. Okay, let's jump further. Next, we'll click this button to open our sketch image gallery. Then, we'll select an image. Once it's loaded, we're able to drag the image around and edit it as we want. Now, let's go back to the timeline here and move the newly added image so it starts playing after the video sketch animation is finished. Now, let's make it a bit more interesting by adding extra animation. Like this. Click here, then zoom and drag like this. Then add a new point and reposition it here, like this. And if you want, you can continue adding as many points as you like and move it around the screen, like this. Okay, I'm going to undo that for now. 2 points are enough for this demo. So next we'll add a new sketch image, reposition it on the canvas, add a fly-in by hand animation to it, and move it on the timeline. Next we'll add another image, and repeat the steps above. Okay, let's add a quick text here. Good. Now we can drag it around and easily edit the text here on the right side. We can edit everything, from font, text size, color, and more. And on the timeline, we can easily add an animation. We'll use a sketch by hand, like this. The timeline makes it easy to set the exact time you want each animation of this video to be displayed for. And finally, to make it even better, let's add some great background music, like this. Alright, let's take a look at what we just created together. And voila, you can see the video we just made together in this demo. There's no doubt that Doodle animation videos are the #1 choice of digital marketers. And with Doodleoze, you'll be able to create amazing Doodle videos in minutes, just like the ones we've made in this demo. As you just saw, Doodleoze has eliminated the guesswork, the cost, and is taking the creation of Doodle video to the next level.